in this box, it comes in a ABS box packing. It has a user manual and a calibration report along with it. So I'll show you the calibration report before we come. This is a calibration report which is done at the end of the factory. This is a user manual. This is a ferrous and a non-ferrous coating thickness gauge. The range of this is 0 to 1500 microns. It has the complete, this user manual has a complete details for how to use. We will still give you a small synopsis of how we operate this coating gauge. So in the main coating gauge, we have a non-ferrous workpiece. We have a ferrous workpiece. We have a ferrous workpiece. We have a main unit. So we'll first explain you how to calibrate, because that is a major part. This is a power button and this is a calibration button. This is the OK and this is to move your readings up and down. So we first switch on. So it says CTG 801. So we'll start first. There are few types of calibration. First we'll show you all different types of calibration. First we press this particular button which says cal. When you press cal, it says zero calibration, which means calibration on a coating gauge onto the substrator with no foils. So, and it is very user friendly. Everything will be mentioned here. So it says right now onto substrator. So we lift probe, we have lift probe, save. So okay, so the 0 point calibration is finished, but there are 2-3 different types of calibration, so we'll explain you all. And first is calibration data group, then limit alarm, unit, whether you microns or mil, and about the company. So first we start with the calibration. When we press this, so now it says zero calibration, which we have already done. Factory calibration if you want, first point calibration and 5 point calibration. We'll explain you 5 point calibration so that 1 point calibration will automatically be, you can understand. So for a 5 point calibration we press OK. Now it says onto substrata. Lift probe onto the standard film. So it says number 1. So our standard film is 50 microns plus minus 1. So lift probe, it says 50. So calibrated. Next one is 98 microns. Lift probe 99. So we reduce by 1 and OK. Third one is 250 microns. It says 251. So now 502 microns. $498. So we change to 502. Okay. Now we add 502 and 250 microns, which is 752 microns. It says 758. So we remove to 752. Okay. And now it says fifth. So we 502 and 502 two coatings, and we it says 1011. It should be 1004. So okay. So it says save ferrous calibration, and we say okay. So this particular component is calibrated. Now we'll try taking the reading again. On 50, it shows us the reading of 50. On 98, it gives us a reading of 99. On 250, it gives us 253, which is within the range. On 250 and 502, it's 752. So 752. And on 502 and 502, it should be 1004, 1012. So as the total is 1012 plus minus 1%, which means 1022